Every year, right before the holidays, we try to create a few new dishes, or at least a new twist on classic ones that'll add some fun to whatever we're serving. And with Memorial Day right around the corner, I want to share with you something that'll make this year's family get-together even more exciting than Aunt Mary's gelatin mold that has all sorts of stuff floating in it. We start by cooking up some jumbo pasta shells. Once they're tender, we drain them, and while they cool, we mix together some deli ham and salami that we cut into chunks, some chopped tomatoes and cubes, a can of sliced black olives, chopped red onion, some mozzarella cheese, we cube that up too, and a bit of Italian dressing. After we toss this together, we spoon it into our shells and pop them in the fridge to chill. This will give all the flavors time to come together. When these make their way to the table, topped with some Parmesan cheese, you better grab one quick before they all disappear. So here's what I suggest. Go online and get the recipe for our Antipasto Stuffed Shells so you can make these this weekend. And don't be surprised if you see someone taking a picture of them to post on Pinterest, since they're that cute. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a picture-perfect way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.